In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on TikTok. As usual, in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Make sure that you've downloaded TikTok, then open the app. Then, if you want to create a group chat, you'll need to tap on the inbox button at the bottom here. Then, you will see a button to the left, this one with the two heads of human beings and a plus sign. Just need to tap on that button. Then, select the people that you want to add to your group chat. Be intentional with this so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now what you want to do next is click create. Then after creating them, these people will be added to your group chat. This is how you create a group chat on TikTok. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.